Hey everybody, my name is Curtis Peterson, and the title of this podcast today is 2 Minutes at a Time. So, we're going to be discussing how the mouth can affect the whole body. It was recently drawn to my attention a case that happened in Maryland. There's a 12-year-old boy that had some tooth decay. And this tooth decay eventually turned to an abscess. So an abscess is just a fancy way of saying that the tooth had a little bit of infection in it. And what a lot of people don't know, and I didn't know either, is that an infection can spread. And that can spread to your whole body. Well, it usually costs, on ABC News, this is where the story was running, they say they cost about $80 to have the procedure. So obviously they didn't have the procedure done, or else it wouldn't be been reported on. And eventually this young boy passed away just from a simple cavity. And it's estimated that about half the kids below the age of 11 have a cavity. So one thing that's really great about North Dakota is that they have the ND SEAL program, and that they'll go into these areas that have high poverty, and they will actually seal these teeth, and that will help prevent cavities from forming in those teeth. So, but this year is a little bit different, and they need a little bit of help. They need some funding, and that's how we can help them. Because not only are they going to go in and put sealants on the teeth like they have every year, but they'll also be going into the schools and then working with administrators, working with the teachers to not only educate the children on the importance of oral health, but also they will be trying to educate the parents who might not have the education or the knowledge of the importance of brushing teeth and what impacts that can have. Because it is true when it says that the mouth is the gateway to the body, not only because food goes in our mouths, but also because it also is a good indicator about a person's health. If someone's healthy, then their teeth will be healthy, most likely. But that is a key indicator to someone's health. So go in, and hopefully we can get a little bit of help, a little bit of funding from our listeners today, and help spread cheer, smiles, and a little bit of kindness to those, and help the government play their role, which is to protect. And this is one thing that we need to protect vulnerable children from. So please let us know how we can, or how you'd like to help.